Hey guys, it's Chin and I spent last weekend hanging out with some cool YouTubers. So I flew up to Auckland on Saturday morning with my two friends BJ and Alex. Alex joined us for half of the trip as he just wanted to visit some friends in Auckland, whereas BJ was my partner in crime and just hang out with me the whole weekend. I booked accommodation with Smay, and without even knowing we had booked the same flights, and when we arrived at the airport it turns out that Finn was also on our flight. I thought it was just funny that we all happened to be on the same flight. We took a bus to the hotel and the room wasn't ready to check in yet, so we just hung out around the city and just did some fun things. We went to Shaky Isles to go grab some food. And my lovely friend Tisha gave us some delicious green smoothies on the house, so thank you Tish. They were actually really nice. We headed up to Giotto for some gelato. We just happened to bump into Georgie and David, and that was the first time I was meeting them, and you guys are freaking awesome. We went to check in and we were on the 31st floor and had the most insane view. I wasn't expecting it. I thought, I did a pretty good job booking the place. Later we headed down to McDonald's because that's where we heard all the coolest YouTubers were hanging out. Then we bumped into more YouTubers and we brought half of them back to our place. Later that night we headed off to Tanani's flat just to hang out, and I met some pretty cool people there.
Tanani!
The next day we headed towards the New Zealand YouTube meetup, which was organised and put together by the amazing Tanani. some amazing sugar cookies in the shape of New Zealand YouTubey things. I grabbed a beakless New Zealand YouTube kiwi and they were delicious, Jane. TV3 News was there too and filmed a bit and chucked a bit of it on the news later that night, which was pretty cool.
That's my face. Please employ me.
A lot of us got hungry, so we headed towards this cool little restaurant on the waterfront. The majority of us got some delicious pizza and we were served by the most gorgeous waiter. Insert picture here. The meetup was really fun. I thought it was just a really cool, chill time. Got to talk and meet a lot of cool New Zealand YouTubers out there, some that I had never met before, some that I had watched before, and it was just really awesome just being able to see these people in 3D. It was kind of eye-opening because I didn't realise there were so many people in New Zealand making videos, and I'm pretty new to the whole New Zealand community. And seeing everyone was just really cool, and the reason why I joined YouTube was I was always very jealous of seeing these communities in the UK and in America, and I was very jealous of that. And now that after attending this meetup, I kind of feel like there is this little community that there is something in New Zealand like that, and yeah. After the meetup we headed back to our place again and we just chilled out a bit before we watched the news, the TV3 News. Smay accidentally changed the channel, which made a whole lot of us go into a bit of a frenzy. It was hilarious. Featured Brittany and Katie. You guys are on the television, and it also starred a whole lot of Jack Scare, which is cool.
Especially if they're fabulous.
The next morning, checkout was at 10, but BJ and I didn't have our flight until 7 o'clock. So we didn't really know what to do, so we just spent a majority of the day hanging out at Starbucks. Listening to me talk about my fantastic weekend. If you like this video, you know what to do. If you want to see more of my face, go hit the sub button down there Everyone who I mentioned in this vlog, everyone who was in it, I'll try and link you guys all down below. You need to go check out everyone. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Stay next.
Oh, you actually stayed here?
Yes.
I thought you were like, oh, just claimed it. No.
I've got extra sprinkles on my coffee right now. Everybody jump!